YouTube geeks. Today we're looking at the CRKT M1601KS knife. This little knife weighs about 2.8 ounces. It's made out of stainless steel as far as the handle goes. It has the Carson flipper for fast deployment. The blade is 3 inches long, the body is 7 inches long, and when it's closed, it is 4 inches. It's got the interchangeable pocket clip, and it has the frame lock. Now the blade is a spear point blade, and it is made out of HCR13 MOV steel. That blade is pretty centered. It might be to the side just a little bit because of that frame lock. That blade is pretty sharp out of the box. We'll test that here in a minute. Nice grips on the back. Very slim design. Okay, let's try some paper cutting. It seems to do okay. I have not sharpened this blade since I've gotten it. I have been testing this blade for the past 3 days, here and there, and it does okay with the cardboard. A little tougher than other blades I've tested, but it does the job. Let's go ahead and try it cutting a little bit of hardwood and see how that works out. Seems to be a little tough. This blade could use some sharpening. Alright, that's it for now. Go ahead and wipe the blade off. Okay, so what do I think about this EDC pocket knife? Well, I love that Carson flipper. It's good for getting that blade out real fast. The frame lock is really good. The interchangeable pocket clip, that's always good for left-handers, right-handers, or if you want to put it into whatever pocket. The handle, I do like the handle, though it's a little on the thin side for me. So I had to get used to really using that flipper, getting that hand position just the right way. The blade itself, kind of wish it was a little bit sharper out of the box. That's probably the only con I've got out of this, but I've got plenty of knife sharpeners, so I'm gonna go ahead and sharpen it up, and I'm sure it'll be just fine. Overall, would I recommend this knife to anybody? Yeah, I would if they're looking for a good slim handle, lightweight EDC knife. It seems to be very tough. It's got a good weight to it, but not too heavy. So, well, that's it. I'd like to give a shout out to Zombie EDC. He has his own YouTube channel and Instagram. You guys check it out. I'll leave the descriptions down below. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe.